Hello everyone, welcome back to BFIN 300 Chapter 6, page 189, problem 6-4. The given that we have says a treasury bond that matures in 10 years has a yield of 6%. A 10-year corporate bond has a yield of 8%. Assume that the liquidity premium on the corporate bond is 0.5%. What is the default risk premium on the corporate bond? First thing we look at in the given, and we should highlight, is the fact that both the treasury bond and the corporate bond have the same maturity of 10 years. The only difference between them is that the treasury bond do not have any liquidity premium or default risk premium. So both the liquidity and the default risk premium will be equal to 0. Okay? Let us look at the answer in order to find our default risk premium for the corporate bond. So first things first, the normal rate for the treasury, 10-year treasury bond, is equal to 6%, as said here, and then we will put the normal rate for the corporate bond of 8%. Then the liquidity premium that is equal for the corporate bond, of course, of 0.5, and the DRP for the corporate bond is the one that we are searching for. Therefore, we know that normally the complete function of the normal rate that will be used normally for the corporate bond is equal to normal rate equal to real risk-free rate plus inflation premium plus default risk premium plus liquidity premium plus market risk premium. Therefore, for the treasury that do not use the DRP and the LP, that is equal to 0, is here given as 6%, equal to 6%, and therefore 6% is like saying that the real risk-free rate plus the inflation rate or the inflation premium plus the market risk premium for 10 years is equal to 6%. And for the corporate, the real risk-free rate plus the IP plus the DRP plus the LP, the liquidity premium that is here given to be 0.5% plus the MRP, so the market risk premium for 10 years. Because both of them, as we said here, yield in or matures in the same number of years, that is 10 here. Both the inflation premium and the maturity risk premium on both are equal. Okay, both have the same IP and MRP. The only difference here is the LP and the DRP, so the liquidity premium and the default risk premium. Therefore, we can say, as we saw here, that this part, both in the corporate and for the treasury, is equal one to the other. Okay, the only difference will be that part, and therefore we know that the normal rate for the treasury bond is 6%. So, because we know that from above, we can say that the rate for the corporate bond is equal to 8%, as we know. That is equal to the first part, 6%, plus 0.5, that is the liquidity premium, plus the DRP, the default risk premium. Just by replacing this and calculating basically the 8%, putting them here. So 8% minus 6.5 will be equal to 1.5%, and that will be the default risk premium for the corporate bond. Hope it was clear and that you enjoyed this little problem. Thank you very much.